Hello friends, these are the new arrival accessories from Casetify for Apple device fans. In this video, we will unbox Casetify phone charms, snappy grip stand, and ripple case. So let's watch the video till the end. Open up the packet and see what's inside. Look at that! There are two phone charms, a MagSafe-compatible snappy grip stand, and a ripple case. You can see the MagSafe-compatible ripple case for iPhone 15 Pro Max. It has a non-slip silicone texture with tactile buttons. There are unique puffed silicone protective corners, raised bezels, and a camera lens that provides military-grade protection. After that, you can see a snappy grip stand. It's MagSafe compatible. Strong magnetic cohesion guarantees secure attachment and perfect alignment every time. You can effortlessly hold your phone so there are no more accidental drops. You can use it as a kickstand to enjoy hands-free web browsing and video streaming in landscape and portrait modes. At last, these are two different phone charms such as Classic Pearl and Aurora Butterfly. Both are made with glittering glass crystals. They make your phone hands-free. So hurry up and get these fantastic accessories from Casetify. Check the product link in the video description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest unboxing videos.